Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own homemade vanilla extract. And the reason why I like to make my own vanilla extract is because a small bottle like this is a 2-ounce bottle, and it costs $8.12, and it's probably only going to last me about maybe a couple of months or so, depending on how much vanilla I actually use. But I'm going to make some vanilla extract in a big mason jar like this. This is a half-gallon mason jar. So you're going to need this. You're going to need a pack of 10 vanilla beans. Another thing I like about making it myself is this vanilla extract is made in alcohol, and I want to make it without using alcohol. So I'm going to be making it with this food grade vegetable glycerin. And then another ingredient we're going to need is water. So I'm going to be using natural spring water for that. So I have already cut into one of my 10 vanilla beans. So you just want to slit it kind of like this, and that's just to open it up. I'm not going to scoop out the vanilla bean. I just want to open it up like so, and then into the mason jar it goes. And so I'm going to do that for the next 9 vanilla beans. Okay, so now I have slit open all 10 of my vanilla beans, and I'm just going to place them into the mason jar. Okay, so you can see that like so. All right, so now we want to add the vegetable glycerin, and you want to use 3 parts vegetable glycerin to 1 part water. So I don't know if you can see these lines on my mason jar. I do want it to end probably slightly under the 6 cups line. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. I want 3/4 of that to be the vegetable glycerin, and then 1/4 of it to be the water. So that's the equivalent of 3 parts to 1 part vegetable glycerin to water. So I'm going to take my vegetable glycerin first, and I'm just going to pour it in. I'm going to pour it right over the beans, and I'm going to go to about 4 1/4. Okay, there's a line on there that has a number 4. I'm going to do that too, but it looks like about 4 1/4. And then for the remainder, I'm going to put the 1 part water, and it's going to come up to just under the 6th line. Okay, like so. So let me just show you. All right, so with my vegetable glycerin, I came up to about 4 1/4, and then the remainder all the way up to this 6th line right here is with my spring water. And now I'm just going to put the top back on it, and then give it a vigorous shake back and forth. So what this is doing is, remember how I slit open the vanilla bean? So now all that flavor from the vanilla bean is being infused into the glycerin water mixture. Okay. All right. And that's it. It's going to take about 90 days. You want this to sit for about 90 days for the flavor to be fully extracted. I would say 3 to 4 times a week you need to take the jar and then just turn it over and give it a vigorous shake. At least 3 to 4 times a week for the next 90 days. And you want to keep it in a cool, dry place. Now, because my mason jar is this dark amber color that helps. So it's already in, darkness. So I just need to find a cool place to store this. I'm going to be storing this in my pantry. And then after the 90 days, I can begin enjoying my vanilla extract. Another thing that I can do is once this is done after the 90 days, I can transfer my vanilla extract into smaller containers, and then I can reuse those vanilla beans, just repeating the process of 3 parts vegetable glycerin and 1 part water, and do the shaking again for the next 90 days to have another whole batch for myself. This is so much cheaper than buying a 2-ounce store bottle for $8. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving the video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.